All right, the interior door latch of this 2005 Honda Coupe is broken. When you pull on the handle, the door does not open. So we're going to replace the cabling from the door latch to the lock in this video. There's plenty of videos out there that shows you how to take the door trim off. So I'm not actually going to show you that. I'll just quickly, behind here you take this little panel off. There's 2 screws behind it. You take those, and then underneath the door right here and here there are 2 other screws that you take off. And once you take those off, you can pop this the door switch panel off with a tool, and then unplug it, and then also unplug this light once you pop the door off. Basically all you need is a plastic removal tool to take that off. To do the entire project, these are all the tools that you may need. The only reason you need the long screwdriver is to actually pop this little plastic piece off. Other than that, these are your primary tools for the project. The door panel off. It's still connected, but I wanted to show you. See this piece here? That's what is broken. It holds into a little clip right there, and it's busted so that there's no tension to the cable. So I bought a new cable which attaches there and goes into the door, and then it comes out and it runs behind this, back here into this corner, which I'll have to take some video of that and show you later of how it connects there. It's a little hard to get to. What I ended up doing was taking pictures with my phone and some video of the existing conditions and figuring out how to take it apart. Once I figured it out, it's relatively easy. So right here, like I said, it would normally pop into right there. This little piece right here just snaps to the side like that. Let's see, and then you just pull that out, and when you put it back in, you put it in just like into that hole right there, and then snap that back. Right there, the cable runs from there through this, comes to this point, held on by this piece here, through the door, and on the back side held on with this piece, and then comes to about right there. First thing is just to pop these two placeholders out, and you can just grab that and push that one, and do the same on the back side for this one. Kind of hard to do one-handed. I'm going to take see if I can get you a video to where this thing's going. It goes back here. Hold on, let me pause, and here it comes on the back side, and you can see this is the where it clips in, and then if you see that's the cable. It goes straight to this little thing right here, which pops down, and it just inserts into there. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and try to pop it. I got it popped off, and this is the cable running right here, and it's stuck into the side
horizontally, and this piece comes down, pulls down. I'll see if I can see how it moves up and down right there, and it just pops down on that once you get it secured. So I've got it pulled out. So what you would basically just pull on it horizontally to pull it out like that. So it's out. Now this little bracket right here where it's hooked, it's snug right there. So it's going to take a little bit of force to pull that out, and all you got to do, I mean, it's just getting it out. You're not going to tear anything up by doing on it hard, but I'm going to have to use both hands. Okay, there it is. You can see it was held in on that little groove right there, and you just pop it out, and then that goes in. When we do the new one, right back in there. Okay, so that cord is now out all the way, so I can just go ahead and pull it out. Yes. And that's it. Now we get the new cord, or cable rather. This is the side that hooks into the actual exterior door latch, and this is the side that hooks into the door handle. It comes with two new holders here that we can snap in. So we're going to thread this into the door. It's just going to go in right here, and into this hole here. And it's really not much to it. That's it. Now it's just putting the connections back. Okay, so now we're putting the new cable in. There it is. So now it's in. You pop this thing down on top of it. Side of it. And take this clip, snap it in, and then you take this clip, pop it in, you take this, oh sorry about that, let's see, then you take this clip, clip it in. Okay, so now it's basically in position. Put this back up. Let's pull this grommet out here, hold this up. Get the end back into the cylinder there. Push it down in there like that, and slide that across. And then that little groove right there fits right into two hands to push that on, but it basically clips like that. And then from that point, you just put your door, trim back on, door panel, and put your door back together. That's it.